We're off on our biggest trip yet. Come with us as we board a Delta flight at LAX and fly Premium Select for the 12 hours to Tokyo. We check into the Courtyard Marriott Ginza, head out to grab dinner, and experience our first konbini. We hope you enjoy our Tokyo vlog series. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new vlog series. If you're new here, hello, my name's Ivy. I'm traveling with my fiance AJ, and we are about to leave to go to LAX and take the 12-hour flight to Tokyo, where we're gonna spend 10 nights exploring the city and going down to Disney, and I couldn't be more excited for this trip. If you would like to follow along on all of our adventures and experiences and all of the food we're going to eat, please make sure to subscribe to check out all the videos that we have to come. We are about to pack the car with our luggage. We are driving ourselves to LAX. I like to drive ourselves, so we're in a little bit more control of timing for the morning. We do have to leave a little early because of LA traffic, but that will give us plenty of time in the Delta Sky Club. So we are parking in the economy parking lot. It's actually a really easy parking lot to park in, and it is priced based on how far out you book your trip. So when I booked our tickets on a whim 11 months ago, I also paid for parking. We are paying about $170 for 12 days of parking. And honestly, for airport parking, that's not that bad. We're gonna pack up. We'll take you along with us. Let's cue our travel montage. We unpacked our amenity kit. We have Delta socks. How cute are those? A toothbrush, since this is a long flight. Pen, earplugs, eye mask, and then hand cream and lip balm. We also have slippers and headphones, and then blankets, pillows, and a full water bottle.
I didn't want to be like, the video starts.
See all the things.
It's funny watching people get on the plane with 2 aisles, because I know I've never been on a plane with 2 aisles, I don't think.
You have when we flew home from Hawaii.
Oh, I have. Yeah, okay, one time. But people are like starting to walk down the aisle, and they're like, oh, wrong aisle, and they're like cutting across people. It's like...
So we have power in our seat. We also have a remote control for our television. And we have power buttons for our recline. AJ's fighting with his remote.
Yeah, go back.
Will you do your recline?
Yeah, let's see.
Ooh. A little boosty. And then I think there's a second foot button.
There it is, but I don't know what that does. I can't tell what the icon is, and I'm pushing it, nothing's happening.
Okay. We got our menus. There are 3 things to choose from for our main course. Mid-flight snack, a chocolate chip cookie, look at that. And then we could have breakfast or something savory. On the back, it shows us information about Premium Select and information about the buttons that AJ and I were trying to figure out. We have figured out the footrest. Look at that. So nice, so you can kind of relax, take the pressure off the tailbone. Oh yeah. is lunchtime on the plane. I got lasagna, we have a salad, tiramisu for dessert, of course ginger ale because we're on a plane. AJ got the beef, what was it, beef suyaki? It's the Japanese dish. He's starting early. Watching some Turning Red.
Furiosa, a Mad Max story.
Oh. So here we go. We're the first ones off the plane. Oh my God, we're here. We're here. We've made it to the infamous red carpet.
One down.
So customs took about 35 minutes, and after that we have met our driver. We booked our driver on Klook for a private transfer. We probably could have done a taxi or an Uber, but honestly it was so nice having someone meet us there and walk directly outside straight to our car. It was about a 30-minute drive to our hotel at the Courtyard Marriott in Ginza, where we checked into our room right away.
It is room tour time. We are in our hotel room. We are staying in a king room. This is the whole room. But we'll start in the entryway. We have a closet here. Hanging space, fabric freshener, shoe stuff, slippers, full-length mirror. Heyo. We have a safe, iron, and a couple of drawers. Then we have a bathroom and Japanese toilet. Hello, Toto. So this is a pretty tight bathroom, not gonna lie, but very nice. So toilet, we have our shower and bathtub. We have these nice amenities here. So lotion, shower cap, razor, hairbrush, toothpaste. Literally, if you forgot everything, you are covered. And then blow dryer. Nice. For the bedroom, oh no. We have this lovely large television next to a king-size bed. 2 nightstands. If you've seen any of my room tours, you know how important 2 nightstands are to me.
Yes.
They both have lights. They have some custom settings for lights. Also USB and USB-C charging.
On both sides.
On both sides. We love to see that. I already adjusted the thermometer. It's not cooling down very much, so might have to break into that. Let's see, this is all flat.
Oh, just flat, yeah. But it's a big TV.
So we have cups, mugs, a little Nespresso machine. Then AJ told me to look in the cupboards. Oh, okay, we have.
Open the fridge.
Oh, we have a fridge.
Chilled glasses.
Chilled glasses. Nice. What's in? Oh. Tea kettle. I normally travel with my own tea kettle, but I knew coming to Japan, I would be fine. So I can make my tea. Ooh, we have some teas. We have this little Nespresso box. Wow, look at that. So nice. Little packets of sugar and cream.
Aren't the little demi spoons cute?
Yes. And then we have this nice table and 2 chairs and a wondrous view of Our next door building. We get like a peek of the street, but it's fine. So this is gonna be home for the next 4 nights. And of course you can't forget pajamas. Courtyard Marriott pajamas. We have made it into our hotel room. We are staying at the Courtyard Marriott in Ginza. It is currently 4:45 and we are going to try to power through for a couple of hours. So we don't have any big plans tonight. We're going to roam around Ginza. There's a couple of little eateries that I want to check out in the area over the next couple of days. We'll be here for 4 nights. This is just the beginning, but we're trying to beat some jet lag and keep going. Even though I could go to sleep right now. How do you feel?
I feel great. I slept for a couple of hours on the plane, which I never do.
Yeah, you slept way more on the plane than I did.
Yeah, I slept for a couple hours, which is good because I typically don't sleep on the plane. But the neck pillow, the eye mask, the sleep music, like just helped.
All right, let's go check out Ginza and maybe go to 7-Eleven.
Konbini.
So we're out and about in Ginza. We found the flagship Uniqlo. All of these stories are all Uniqlo.
I think it's 8 stories.
I think it's crazy. I think it's more than that.
2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12 stories.
12 stories. We'll roam around here a little bit more over the next couple of days. Tonight, it's just about being out, enjoying the cool weather, and exploring. So we just ordered some sandwiches from Ginza Sand. I'm so excited because this is one of the spots that I've seen a lot online. We have a 25-minute wait because they cook everything fresh, and we're gonna roam the streets a bit until it's time to eat.
Well, I'll chalk the next move up to jet lag, but our mics were off. So here's our recap of our sandwiches. Our 2 sandwiches were hand-delivered to us in a bag, and each sandwich was in its own box. Each sandwich was on fluffy slices of milk bread cut into 6 slices. AJ started with the pork with sauce. The bread was super soft, the pork was perfectly crispy, and the sauce had the perfect tang and zest to accompany that fried pork. Spoiler alert, this was the best katsu sando of our entire trip, and we were so happy about it. Now, they're mostly known for their prime Japanese beef filet sandwich with a homemade demi-glaze sauce. As soon as I opened the box, I knew it was just a little bit under for me, but I still wanted to try it. The meat had good flavor, but it was just a little chewy due to the cook. It was a good first meal in Japan, and I'm so glad we went. I would have been really jealous of every social post I had seen if I had not tried it myself. And AJ asked to go back every night that we were in Ginza. On our way back to the hotel, we stopped at our first 7-Eleven and grabbed the infamous egg sando, the viral creme brulee, and an ice cream bar. AJ loved the egg sando, and it was really everything he's dreamt of. The ice cream sandwich was amazing and is my new addiction. The Manoka Jumbo had that chocolate shell and chocolate in the center. It was all wrapped around a crispy wafer and so delicious. Now that creme brulee had that classic sugar topping with a decent crack. The custard was a mix of standard custard and kind of an ice cream texture, but a wonderful dessert to end the night. Overall, it's a wild day to think that we just flew 12 hours. The flight went by much faster than anticipated, and the food on the plane was surprisingly good. Our transportation to the hotel was easy, and those Marriott points came in really handy for this trip. We enjoyed our first taste of the area that we're staying in, and we can't wait to see more. Come with us over the next week as we explore different parts of Tokyo and Tokyo Disney.